Okay. Kain sa Lablao.
Alert ko kayo sa ano. Okay, naisip ko. Alert ko kayo. Pag nag-alcohol sila. Nagsuot kayo ng ano.
Ano mo tong live natin ah. Kanina may
Okay. Can you settle down because we would like to announce the arrival of City National High School. We have here now Ma'am Adelma
Ma'am Sherilyn Napo.
and Sir Andres de la Torre. We also would like to acknowledge the arrival of our keynote speaker for tonight, Attorney Mary Grace Sarsa Daito of Batch 2002.
Ay, Ben!
Ayun na sinda ko.
Ikaw na sinda? Ikaw na sinda? Gas bang bitawan na yan?
Ay, sinda ko.
So,
It's a great honor and privilege to have you here all tonight. Coming. Okay, handa na ba lahat? Pansin namin na yung mga sa unahan, walang mga nakaupo, no? Mas maganda siguro muna, ano? I-occupy na muna natin yung mga, diba? Meron ba? Meron yan. Yung mga 1980s, traffic.
Kaya laro ka lang?
88. 1988. Meron tayong 1988. Kanina may nabasa ako sa registration in 1982. Diba? Kanina nabasa ko. Wow. 1982. Oh, huwag natin i-deny. Ipinanganak pa lang tayo na. 82. So, ang saya na... Okay. Pero parang wala pang... Hindi okay tingnan. Para magalang tignan sa documentation. Do you agree with me, my co-host?
Yes, I agree. Para
Basta nakakaaglag sa table, so pangalan ng taon. Para guided pa rin sila mag-taon. So label lang. Tabang-tabang ang table. So label. Sana all.
okay.
Yung mga nakatayo po sa labas, yung mga nasa tent sa labas, we invite you to come dito sa loob. Una. Mamaya tayo sa fellowship night, pumunta din sa kung ano. Para pag natignan.
Gusto kita dyan. Gusto kita duman. Oh, mamaya may magkakaroon kami.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Gaston City National High School. 8th Grand Alumni Homecoming with the theme Orgulyo sa Kinikanan. And with my co-host as well, Miss Nalista Chama and we're from batch 99.
For the invitation, and this will be followed by the singing of the national anthem.
And after the Philippine National Anthem, we shall have the singing of the Legaspi hymn as well as the NHS hymn. Please, all
Kasi ka
stand.
ma-video. Hindi lang, pag batao kami kayo ni
Naka-online din eh. Ah, sige mamaya. Paano? Yan. Ah. Yan, ganun mo lang. Ano na?
Masyadong malapit. Ikaw mamarakit sa stage? Ikaw masakit sa stage?
Bako siya Milan. Teacher siya.
Babae. Ay, official na. Sigado. Sigado. Second. Second commander. Second commander. Alan. Tapos second commander. Tapos third commander si Ana. Hindi, mali. Kasi pang-apat si Freddy. Pang-apat si Freddy.
Bravo ka po niya.
Bravo.
Ika.
Charlie ako.
Yung ano kaya, kay Freddy.
Ako kayo niya.
Bravo.
Okay,
Okay.
please be seated. Ang dami mo. Parang ang sarap lang talaga. We are so privileged and we're happy to be here na welcome ulit tayo ng school natin. Oo. Hindi na-develop na ako ng talent na sa stage 9 eh. Ano? Yes. Okay. To start with our program, would like to call on Ma'am Shirley T. Bercasio, the Assistant Secretary of the General Alumni Association, to give us the welcome remarks.
Good evening to all and present here, teachers, principal, guests, and to all alumni. NHS or LCNHS guests. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on this occasion of our alumni. Like today is very important as provides us opportunity to meet after a long time. Also enables the alumni to notice a change in developments happen in the campus then now and then. Kindly allow me to express my gratitude towards each and every one of you present here who are aspiring sometime to be with all of us tonight. We know that it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule and come over, but I believe that the experience of this evening, which you will take home, will be worth the time you all have spent. If we talk about today, our graduates have widely in their performance make us difference everywhere. I would like also to praise the multiple roles played by you in the society. Many hold major influence in the society. I would like to appreciate your done for the development of our society and justifying the years spent by you at this state institution. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you for participation. You have always extended towards our alma mater. Hope you like the arrangement for this homecoming, which you have a wonderful moments. Have a good time ahead. Thank you.
Yes, let's give her a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Ma'am Bercasio, for that heartwarming and welcome remarks. Well, Janice, at this point, so it's an opportunity for all the batches to, well, to be recognized, of course. Oh, mas maganda siguro pag tinawag, ano ba, para ma-recognize talaga kayo. Mag-cheer siguro. Yell. Batch yell, maybe.
1989.
Okay.
Stand up.
Okay.
Dave
Go to
Siguro.
1990.
Oh,
Okay,
ayun.
give us your best yell.
Yes.
What's your
Mr.
batch
Tommy.
yell?
What's your batch? Cheer it out.
Batch cheer. Madalian lang. Okay, batch 1990 yell. That's great. Okay. How about 1991?
Ayun, line
Welcome.
3.
Batch 1991.
Batch 1992. Ayun, Sir Bob.
Ang dami din nila. Ang
Hello,
dami ng
guys.
1992. Okay, batch 1993.
Ayun.
Pero hindi ko bilang nyo.
1993 kapitan.
Okay.
Batch 1994.
Tayo. Para ma-recognize naman kayo.
Hello there.
We're live right now sa Facebook ni. Nag-live ngayon. Okay, pag malakas ang data nyo, i-on nyo yung live para mapanood naman tayo ng ibang batchmates natin na nasa ibang bansa o nasa ibang lugar ng Pilipinas. Kaya parte ng Pilipinas ngayon. Ito ang batch.
Batch 1995.
1994.
1994.
1994. Okay na? We proceed to 1995.
1995. Ayun. Pagkapangalan nila. Nasa dulo. Hello, guys.
Hello,
Okay,
welcome.
next is 1996.
Overwhelming! Grabe! Amazing!
Hello.
Grabe ang effort ng mobilization ng batch nyo, ah! Congratulations! Grabe yan!
Tropa. Hello.
Oo.
Okay,
And
next.
we welcome 1997!
Ayun. Same energy.
Same energy!
Same energy.
Okay. How about 1998?
Oh, so same energy. Mapapadali na tapos yung cheer.
Oh, siyempre hindi natin pauhuli to, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, our very own batch,
Yung
batch
1999.
Kami yun.
Kami yun. Batch 99.
Your host batch. At may pressure next year to host this homecoming. Batch 2000.
Ikata lang po, may sisipulin na
Announcement.
Announcement lang quick lang to. Sino sa daw po naka-park naman sa gilid ni Marcos?
May nakapark daw sa main gate. May maluwas.
Ayan, so continue na tayo.
We continue with the batch presentation. We start again with batch 2001.
2001.
Asan kayo?
Ayan na.
Saan sila?
Hi, sa batch. Ayun.
Welcome, sir. Madam, welcome. How about?
Batch 2002. Dahil may beses ka sa 2001. Okay, next is batch
Okay, next is batch 2003.
2003.
the evil that men do without pretend. The good is up, then turn to their foe. So let it be with Caesar. Yun ang naalala ko din. That's my witness.
That's him.
That's him. And without further ado, we'd like to come on our very own, our dearest principal, Dr. Jeremy A. Cruz, to give us a message. Please give a big round of applause.
Thank you, attorney. Thank you, Janice. Grabe. I am so proud of you. And before sa mga mutual admiration club later ngayon, I just can recall how this really performed in my English classes. And one of the pride of Pag-asa National High is one great lawyer by the name of Attorney Lorcha, who won a national oratorical contest and several public speaking contests. As a matter of fact, he was one of the outstanding students of the Philippines. Galing lang naman sa Pag-asa National High School. Hindi naman nakaka-proud, di ba? Hindi. Before I go on further, baka makalimutan ko ang aking inihanda because every time I get hold of a microphone, nakakalimutan ko ang mga sasabihin ko. Para kapag-aari ko lang. My warmest felicitations to everyone. Bigyan nga natin ng napaka-ingay na palakpak ang Pag-asa National High School. Thank you for coming. When others are far, far from our school, from your alma mater, you are here spending the joy, excitement, fun, and love. And it always amazes me to see batches that have come together, jump up, solid as a family. Sorry for this, very special kasi itong batch na ito na sasabihin ko. Kasi nga, during my first year here in 1995, sila yung batch na naging friends ko kaagad. At sila din yung una ko na-witness ang kanilang graduation. And up to now, they are solid and strong. Batch 1996! Siyempre, yung iba mamaya na, pag teacher, iba lahat binibigyan ng pagmamahal ang mga estudyante. Chika lang. Sabi ko nga na-overwhelm ako, baka makalimutan ko. Meron tayong napaka-special na mga guests dito ngayon. Pinangungunahan ng isa sa pinaka-titulo ko sa larangan ng edukasyon. Titulo ng mga estudyante na nahandilan niya. Walang iba, the Ruthie Venosa. Malakas po, malakas pa. Thank you, Ma'am Ruthie. And isa sa napakabait na nilalang na kilala ko, Madam Estrella Anza. Isa sa pinakamabait na naging kaguro ko sa Pag-asa National High School at LCN Beaches, Madam Franz Nerdes. Humihina. Ano ba yan? Malapit na nga yung pagkain niyo. Siyempre, ang ating guest speaker today, ang aking former student na napakagaling, ngayon ay isa ng lawyer, si Attorney Mary Grace Daito. Mamaya ipapakilala siya, pero sabi ko, Attorney, nagmamana ka sa dapat niya kung mag-abong ka. Daraga pa si Attorney. Hanapan ninyo ako ha? Tabangan ninyo ako na hanapan siya. Ako na ninyo ako pagtabangan. Okay lang. The President of the Alumni Association, Sir Bobby Ala, palakpakan natin si Bertrand sa Bobby. At syempre, ang host batch, ang pinakamagandang majorette sa buong Bicol noon, Belinda Andes. Ang hina naman. Actually, dapat wala ako dito kasi yung best friend ko na nasa Singapore, dapat ngayon nabitin kami lalabas. Kaso sabi ni Belinda, Sir, wag mo naman ako ipagla. Kailangan dumating. I came for you, Belinda. And of course, the batch 1995. Thank you very much. Isa sa, actually siya ang pinakamatandang alumnus dito ngayon. Hindi ninyo makakalimutan ang kanyang pag-aangga sa inyo sa CNP. Kasama na ang pasigaw, pero ito pala ay isang bahagi ng disiplina. Sir Andres de la Torre of batch 1982. 42 years na si Sir nag-graduate sa Pag-asa National High School. Mabalik muna tayo sa history ng Alumni Association. Hindi po ako graduado ng Pag-asa. But then, nung pumasok ako dito noong 1995, pinanap ko yung alumni sa dito. Wala palang alumni